Ingxwabangxwaba Yosapho Lwase-Mamelodi East kwidolophu yaseTshwane iphele Ngentlekele phezolo. Ukuza nanjengoko Ipolisa elineminyaka engamashumi amathathu anesibini ubudala lityholwa ukuba lidubule labulala umtshana walo oneminyaka elishumi elinesibhozo ubudala phambi kokuba liziqhumise ngompu. Ingxabano yaphakathi kosapho iqale ekuseni yayokutsho ebusuku ngomrhanelwa evalele umama wakhe nomtshana wakhe endlini kwaye bagrogrisa ngompu. Isithethi samapolisa aseRhawutini uBrigadier Moretili uthi nangona nje umrhanelwa egqibele ethabatha ubomi bakhe nobomtshana, ityala lokubulala nokuxhwila livuliwe ukuqwalasela banzi iimeko ezingqonge esi sehlo.
The hostage situation in Mamelodi East was resolved just before midnight on 9 September 2025 when the Special Task Force members were about to tactically penetrate the house. At this stage, hostage negotiators were still busy negotiating with the police constable to surrender when two gunshot sounds were heard coming from the house. Upon entering the house, the STF members found the body of the constable. As they searched the house further, they also discovered the body of the constable's 18-year-old nephew with gunshot wounds. Earlier in the evening, at about 2300 hours, hostage negotiators had managed to get the constable to release his elderly mother from the house. She was treated by paramedics on the scene before she was transported to the hospital. The police in Mamelodi have registered a case of murder, kidnapping, as well as